Hello students, today we will start the second book of your syllabus, Footprints Without Feet. And the first chapter is Triumph of Surgery. There are three characters in this story. The story, A Triumph of Surgery, revolves around an ill dog named Tricky and his mistress, Mrs. Pamphray. The doctor, James Harriet, is really worried. Tricky had become very fat. He looks like a bloated sausage. His eyes are red and rheumy. Mrs. Pamphray is the mistress of the dog. She has given him malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks every night, but nothing works. James Harriet realizes that Tricky's only fault was greed for food. Dr. James Harriet advises Mrs. Pamphray that she must cut Tricky's food right down. She must give the dog some exercise. She must keep him on a very strict diet, otherwise he will fall ill. Within a few days, Dr. Harriet receives a call from Mrs. Pamphray. She tells him that Tricky does not eat and has bouts of vomiting. He only lies down on the rug panting. The doctor advises her that Tricky needs to be hospitalized for a fortnight. He is to be kept under observation. At the surgery, the household dogs surge around Tricky. He sees them lying motionless. A bed for Tricky is made in a warm loose box. For 2 days, no food is given to him but plenty of water. On the second day, he starts taking some interest in his surroundings. On the third day, he begins to whimper when he hears the dog in the yard. Tricky starts taking a walk around the bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Tricky's progress is rapid. He has no medical treatment for any kind. He runs about the dogs, joining their friendly barkings. He starts fighting for his share of food and hunts rat at night. Dr. Harriet tells Mrs. Pamphray that Tricky is not in danger and recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pamphray starts bringing eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up his strength. Wine and brandy are given to improve Tricky's constitution. The doctor informs that Tricky has recovered and Mrs. Pamphray can collect him. Within 2 weeks, Tricky has been transformed into a flexible, hard-muscled animal. He is stretching out in great bounds. When Tricky sees his mistress, he leaps and sails into her lap. As the car moves away, Mrs. Pamphray leans out of the window. Her lips tremble and tears shine in her eyes. She says, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." Okay students, so this was the explanation of the chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. Thank you.